Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT Makeup Test 2025-2026 Part 3rd. Dear students, if you like my video, please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. Dear students, अभी तक अगर आपने KMU-CAT मेकअप टेस्ट के लिए रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं की तो अभी रजिस्ट्रेशन कर लें और अपना सीट रिज़र्व कर लें. थैंक यू. Which of the following is not needed for DNA transcription? Option A, ribosomes, B, nucleotides, C, DNA, and option D, enzymes. So the correct option is A, ribosomes. Explanation is ribosomes are required for translation, not transcription. So dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon, never miss an update from a technologist. So this is very important MCQs. Which of the following description of chromosome is not correctly matched? Option A, metacentric chromosomes arm are almost equal in size. B, submetacentric chromosomes arms are slightly different in size. Option C, acrocentric chromosomes arm are identical in size. And option D, telocentric, there is only one chromosome arm. So the correct option is C, acrocentric. The chromosomes arm are identical in size. So explanation is acrocentric chromosomes have very unequal arm. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. All of the cells within an individual are genetically identical. Option A, true, and option B, false. So the correct option is B, false. Mutations and differentiation cause differences. So this is very important MCQs. Dash portion of chromosomes that stand lightly and only partially condensed. Option A, heterochromatin, B, euchromatin, C, facultative chromatin, and option D, constitutive. So the correct option is B, euchromatin. The euchromatin is less condensed and active. When cancer cells gain the ability to move independently and invade other tissues, they are said to have option A, mobilized, B, evolved, C, metastasized, and option D, metamorphic. So the correct option is C, metastasized. Metastasis is cancer which is spread up. BRCA1 is associated with which cancer? Option A, thyroid, B, leukemia, C, lungs, and option D, none of the above. So the correct option is D, none of the above. BRCA1 is linked to breast and ovarian cancer. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Which of the following may contribute to causing cancer? Option A, a mutation in a gene that slows the cell cycle. Option B, faulty DNA repair. C, loss of control over telomere length. And option D, all of the above. So the correct option is D, all of the above. Explanation is multiple genetic failures lead to cancer. If you perform a laboratory analysis of DNA, you would find that the amount of adenine is the amount of thymine, option A, much greater than, B, much less than, C, about the same as, and option D, shows no relationship. So the correct option is C, about the same amount. The explanation is Chargaff rule. Adenine is equal amount of thymine. Dear students, if you like my video, please सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। So this is last MCQs. Those mutations that arise in the absence of non-mutagen are known. Option A, induced mutations, B, fused mutations, C, spontaneous mutations, and option D, none of the above. So the correct option is C, spontaneous mutation, which actually occur naturally during replication. Thank you for watching my videos.